In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. You need to begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll all the way down, click on Screen Refresh Rate, and apply the best option for you, in my case High. So when I click on it and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my HUAWEI has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!